Hey, hello traders. How you doing? How you doing today? Hello everyone. Hello Acid. Hello Bits and Pieces. Hello Diane. Hello Andrea. Shoki, Alex, Kevin, J JR Nichols. Hey Tito, how are you? Hello Max. Aniket. How you doing guys? So guys, today I need to do it like very fast because I have something else happening in a few minutes. So just let me show you what I have. So quick summary. If you guys are paying attention to the weekly trading plans that I'm sending, you watch that I sent you that we needed a strong break of 695 in order to actually believe this is going higher, right? To actually believe this is going higher. So today, and the other, and the downside was everything below 694, everything below 694, something like this, like previous day high, like Friday's high. Everything below here, I will be looking for, like another drop and drop and drop until we actually break 695. So today we actually broke 695, and that has been a nice ride to the upside. That has been a nice ride to the upside. So what are these opportunities here? All right. So I want to be very clear about this. All right. This 691.50 area, look at this. This 691.50 area has been here since, look at this, a lot of months, right? Like previous all-time highs, previous rejection area, previous support area. So this 691.50 area has been strong for a lot of time. So once we broke here and we came back, retested this 691.50, and we kept pushing to the upside above previous day close, that was my indication that today we were gonna rally. And that was exactly what happened, right? That was exactly what happened. So my fears, the first opportunity that I watch here, it's this 942 break of the previous day close and continuation higher. For being honest, right here, look at this, right here to 693.57. That was a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio trade. So this trade was already good, right? But if you are like, like, okay, well, no, Neto, we should be waiting for the actual retest of previous day high or reclaim of previous day high. That was a great trade. That was also a great trade. However, a lot of people chicken out after this kind of pullbacks, right? It's why? Because this 694 was also 693.50, 694 area has been also a resistance area for the past weeks and months. All right. So after we had this rejection here, we actually melt down here and we came back all the way to this retest of this order block, the first half of the day. Or is this the 5 minutes? It's not. This should be 1 2 3 4. No, it's not the 5 minute. It's the 15-minute opening range, right? This is the 15-minute opening range. So we had a very nice reaction here. So once you reclaim this 692.68, you may have taken this new push higher, and that was a good one. That was a good one. Any other later than that, guys? I mean, after reclaiming previous day high, for me it was a bit overextended, but that was my opinion. That was just my opinion, right? So Neto, did you take any trades today? I didn't. I was looking for an actual nice break to the downside. I was actually having something like this, right? Like I was waiting for something like this. Uh, on these candles here, I was ready, like, okay, well, if this breaks, I'm gonna take this all the way to this previous day close. It was a 3. 322. And because people send me like, Neto, I entered on the rejection of this 695, something like this, let's say. And the one thing that I don't like from this is that we were a bit above previous day high, just a bit. So for me, that was like, like if we can't break previous day high, I'm not taking any position here. So I waited, and it never happened. So today I didn't take a trade. And I know I'm watching you guys. I know some of you took this one to the downside. If you took profits right here on previous day high, maybe it was a break even or small win. But if you didn't take profits here, the break and retest of previous day high, I always said that this is the strongest bullish setup for me, the break and retest of previous day high. So that was the reason I didn't want to take a trade right here. I know this was kind of a head and shoulders. I know this was a market structure to the downside. I know all of that. It was so close to previous day high that I just say like, no, well, let's wait for another one. Dion, you took 1140 here. You were anticipating this breakout. All right. Well, and that was all that I watched on SPY, guys. Again, if you were waiting for like a nice reclaim of this actually happened, right? This actually happened. It was a slow grind. This is one of the reasons I don't like taking calls. It will take like an hour or more, and with these pullbacks, you just drop all of the profit that you made, and well, that's it. So let me go to QQQ. This was even this was a bit different, but as you can see, it's kind of the same opportunity here. It was a good pivot here, right? Like, let's say this pivot here, price actually came back, retested this pivot from Friday, and it had continuation to the upside. Other than that, QQQ, it's still under previous day high. So yeah, I wasn't too enthusiastic with QQQ. So that's all I have for you today, guys. I know this was a line fastening, a very fast trend review, but as I explained, I have a meeting in 20 minutes. I need to be ready. Guys, if you took something on SPY or QQQ, you want me to take a look now is the time. Later is gonna be late. No. Hello, California. Hello, Tocayo, Peters. Hello, Lilia, Patrick, Luis. Hello, Luke. No trade for bits and pieces. Diane, this 1140 puts. Justin, yeah. So guys, thank you for coming today. Today was a very slow day. No real entry models. Thank you for coming. Remember, I sent the daily charts. I send the daily charts every morning, 9 a.m. Eastern time. Take a look to that. Don't take them as a rule. Just compare to your key levels. Understand what I'm watching there. And yeah, if you have any question, please do not hesitate. Reach me at neto@tradingperformancecoach.com. And I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.